right, I'm getting ready to roll out to Vegas with my husband. I am so excited. Stopping first to say hi to you and show up for you today. Hopefully, my intention is to give some love and light your way, something useful to you. I don't plan these talks. I have been healed of so many things that it's difficult for me to choose one thing to talk about each day. So the thing that's on my mind today, because we are all affected and we are all connected in big, big ways, whether negative or positive, what has helped me lately is to remember not to absorb other people's pain or their even poor health. Whether it's back pain, ear pain, headache pain, emotional pain, fear, anxiety, chaos, depression, we must not absorb it, whether it's created from our own brain or we're affected by someone else. Something that really helped me a great deal is to stay in my own hula hoop. My sponsor used to tell me, stay in your God bubble. Let negativity, criticism, anything coming from other people, just let it bounce off of you. Don't absorb it. Observe rather than absorb. One of the best things I ever learned. Zoom out from high above and look down on yourself from an objective point of view can be helpful to you too. It's always been helpful for me and helped me to stay free of getting in the chaos or the extreme sadness, depression, fear. We often need someone else. We need a person to draw near besides God. Sometimes my positive readings or being home alone too long, being alone with yourself too long is wrong. We are meant to be relational. You need people as well as God. You need both. God of your own understanding, whoever that is. For me, it's Christ. I got Christ in me and enables me to treat others better. I would not be who I am today without connecting to that source in the best way every day and doing what I am called to do. Without that, I used to be, before I answered the call, I was a hope to die dope fiend, alcoholic. This was over 20 years ago. However, I still have behaviors, and they call them character defects, that I battle. That just because you remove the substances doesn't mean that you're not still drawn to certain negative behaviors based on our past, based on our trauma, based on our childhood. However, don't get hung up on that. You're not responsible for what happened for you when you were a child, but you are responsible for your life as an adult. You're an adult, so it's time to act like it. No more reacting. You cannot put your hands on people. You don't yell at people. You don't judge people. You don't criticize people, including yourself. No self-harm. Don't beat yourself up. Pay attention to those thoughts is what has helped me in the best way. Whenever you have a negative thought, change it. I get them all the time. It'll just flow into my head. Geez, you're really fat and ugly today. That's a good one. Like, no, I'm a beautiful child of God, and I can attack those laser weaknesses each day in the best way I can. Sometimes you gotta hire a coach. I'm thinking about doing that again because I don't like where I'm at. We need a person. It's good to invest in yourself. If you need to go to the doctor, go to the doctor. I made my appointment finally. I need to go to the doctor. I hate going to the doctor. I made my appointment. It's coming up in a couple weeks. I went to urgent care yesterday because my back is so bad. I think I'm still I would say have training wheels myself as far as not letting other people's pain and bad health affect me. So because I'm a Christ-centered person, I rebuke it in the name of Christ, you know, and just focus on health and wealth, health and wealth, health and wealth, or whatever it is for you that you really, really want to be, that God called you to be. Positive. God wants you to be happy, joyous, and free. Whatever you're excited about, then that's what your life needs to be about. So I hear my husband laughing on the phone. I love hearing his laughter. Today, when I'm not spiritually fit, sometimes it makes me mad because he's happy and I'm not. You know, I have that character defect. But whatever you are excited about, it's what you need to do. And sometimes the right thing is not what you're excited about. I was not excited about getting sober 20 years ago. I was not excited about going to meetings. I was not excited about using the phone. I didn't like calling people. I hated texting people. I didn't want to be around anyone else. I wanted to just do everything myself and isolate. We cannot do that. So there's the bad news. Sorry. Show up to grow up. Show up. Do whatever you need to do. All right, he's hanging up. We got to get ready for our trip. I got to get packed and get in the car. I love you guys.